I'm Kyle from Drive Wheaton TV, showing off another sweet ride from Wheaton Honda. We've got a ride that'll have you feeling a little bit presidential. A 2017 Lincoln MKC Select in Ingot Silver Metallic with a black leather interior. This all-wheel drive crossover comes with plenty of amenities like heated front seats, a heated steering wheel, dual-zone climate control, a panoramic sunroof, power heated side view mirrors, intelligent access with push-button start, and a factory-installed remote starter. You'll never get lost with built-in navigation, while the backup camera and reverse sensing system will help you maneuver in cramped spaces. Plus, you get the Sync 3 Infotainment Center with an 8-inch touchscreen. It comes with Bluetooth and SiriusXM satellite radio, giving you all sorts of music and audio streaming at your fingertips. It's powered by a 2-liter turbocharged engine and a 6-speed SelectShift push-button transmission with steering wheel paddle shifters. Now, if you have any questions, please send them my way, and I'll be happy to answer them. You can reach me with email, Facebook, or Twitter, or just make a trip down to Wheaton Honda.